In this video, you're going to learn how to combine words from the keywords and word sets that you created in the previous tutorial. Now, to get things started, we're here on our dashboard. If you are adding keywords and combining words for multiple websites, to make sure that you're following this process for the correct website, go ahead and just double check that the URL in the top bar is correct. In this case, we're going to be combining words for sportsfootage.com. After you double check that you're combining words for the right URL, navigate to the top menu bar and click on SEO Tools. Now, in the previous tutorial, we walked you through how to add words and word sets in this software, provided an example, and explained why adding keywords is important. We can progress to combining keywords. Hover over the Combine Keywords icon and click it to get started. After clicking that icon, you will be taken to your home page, but what's important is on the right-hand side of the screen on this gray menu bar. Here you'll be able to review and see all the keyword sets that we walked you through adding in the previous tutorial. Now, before we combine all of these keyword sets, it's just important to make sure that you don't have too many keywords within each keyword set. We recommend keeping the keyword sets to a maximum of 5 keywords. Now, you should already have 5 keywords in each of your sets if you've followed the previous tutorial, and all we're going to do is go ahead and click Save. It might take a minute or two for the software to create as many possible combinations as it can of your keywords. Essentially, what the software is doing is it's combining all of your keywords to create hundreds of keyword phrases that will bring people to your website whenever someone searches them in Google. Once your keywords are combined, a new menu bar will load on the right-hand side of the screen, and you can see that the software has created over 600 keyword versions, which simply would not be possible to add manually. If we scroll all the way to the bottom of our homepage, you can see a preview of what we're going to get into in the next step on this series. Our headline now says 2 other pages available, and you'll see that new pages have been created using our keywords. Learn how to create high-quality content for businesses, and videographer company online program in the San Francisco Bay Area. Now, this software will continue creating new versions of your homepage using a combination of these 600 plus keyword phrases that it's created from your initial word sets. The issue is it takes Google time. If you'd like to manually create your pages, you can create up to 20 of them, and we'll cover more on that in the next tutorial.